Welcome to our educational segment on skincare and skin science from our PhD and MD dermatologist team in Europe.
Today, we delve into the fascinating yet often overlooked world of perfumes and essential oils, and their potential dangers when applied to facial skin. Perfumes and essential oils are commonly used in skincare and cosmetic products to enhance the sensory experience. But what many people don't realize is the harm they can cause to the delicate facial skin. One of the most concerning risks associated with these aromatic additives is photodermatitis, a condition where the skin becomes hypersensitive to sunlight due to exposure to certain chemicals found in perfumes and essential oils. This can lead to redness, swelling, and even blistering of the skin when exposed to the sun. Furthermore, the constant irritation caused by these substances can worsen hyperpigmentation in some individuals, leading to uneven skin tone and discoloration. This is especially problematic for those with sensitive or reactive skin. Some essential oils are more notorious than others when it comes to triggering allergic reactions. Oils such as lavender, tea tree, and eucalyptus have been known to cause skin irritation, redness, and itching in susceptible individuals. It's important to remember that scents are not skin-friendly ingredients. They are added to products solely for their pleasant aroma. When it comes to skincare, what your skin truly needs are ingredients that promote healing, balance, and calmness. Instead of putting potpourri on your face, opt for skincare products that contain gentle, nourishing ingredients like aloe vera, chamomile, and hyaluronic acid. These ingredients are more likely to support your skin's health and well-being without the risk of adverse reactions. Remember, when it comes to skincare, prioritize ingredients that bring about healing, order, and calm. Your skin will thank you in the long run. Thank you for joining us today. Stay tuned for more enlightening insights into the world of dermatology and skincare with Clinical Botanic Skin Health Matters.